Hello everyone, greetings of the day, and in my today's lecture series I would like to discuss about the various marketing tactics which are being used by the companies to get visible their products in the minds of the customers, and which displays a distinct positioning by using the different ways. And you know that the companies are using the different kind of mascots, right, by which the companies are projecting the image of the brands with the help of these mascots, and obviously that creates the effective marketing goals also. So in this lecture I would gain your highlight that a mascot is used to represent a brand with a common public identity. Brands have been using mascots in their marketing campaigns for a long, and some of the mascots have been so popular that most of the people recognize brands by these characters. Yes, mascots are a kind of characters basically, and we have this made a list of some mascots that still have a special place in every Indian's heart. So the very first is the Amul Giri. Yes, Amul girl, we can say this utterly butterly delicious. This Amul always comes up with funny and witty takes on things that are happening around the country, and it's a dairy product which is so popular and based in Gujarat also. And always their advertisement campaigns and the marketing campaigns are so popular amongst the people. And during this COVID-19 problem, when the Ramayana was telecasted in the Doordarshan, they have telecasted the Amul classic advertisement, right, 40 years back, 50 years back, which was used by the companies. So Boomerman, yes, Boomerman, this chewing gum, every child cannot forget this one, that Boomerman, boom boom, Boomerman. Yes, remember Boomerman that used to do amazing stunts in the ads of the bubblegum brand. Yes, the bubblegum brand, so famous in the pink color. If we went into our childhood, then we cannot forget this also. Parle G girl. Yes, this Parle G girl is so famous, bigger, crispier, and tastier, right? Parle G is for genius. That's the original Gluco biscuits, and famously known as the glucose biscuits also. So Parle G has been ruling Indian biscuit market from so many years, and Parle has not changed its icon girl on the packets. Yes, they are similar, and it's for a long. Yes, the famous Gattu. This famous Gattu is also a very good mascot used by the very famous paint company, the Indian company rather, the Asian Paints, used its iconic character Gattu for almost 4 decades, and that was projected from the R.K. Lakshman was the name behind creating that Gattu. At fifth one we have this Ronald. Yes, the Ronald, and obviously that picture shows you that that's the projection of the McDonald, and Joker Ronald is the reason for McDonald's popularity among kids, and Ronald has its presence outside every McDonald's store across the world. Again, this is a character, this is a mascot which is used by the company to achieve their marketing goals. Yes, famously known Appy Fizz. Yes, Appy Fizz. Again, it's a product of the Parle Agro, and the famous Appy Fizz mascot is has used its bottle itself as a mascot. And Appy always comes up with creative ideas involving its bottle to attract the youth of the country also. By endorsing the Salman Khan in the advertisement, Appy Fizz gives a boost up in the market amongst the kids and amongst the youngsters and teenagers also. Next one, we have this Nirma girl. We cannot forget this Nirma girl dancing, Nirma girl race, right? Swirling Nirma girl. So in this case, the founder of Nirma, Karsan Bhai Patel, used the iconic girl in the promotion of detergent powder in the memory of his daughter Nirupama. Yes, that icon character, that character actually was the daughter of this Karsan Bhai Patel and named as Nirupama, and obviously it gives a distinct positioning in the mind of the customers by swirling Nirupama in the packaging of Nirma washing powder also. Yes, Lijjat Papad. Ahaha, Lijjat Papad. Yes, Lijjat Papad. Many Indians still cannot refuse to smile when they think about this rabbit that used to feature in Lijjat Papad ads. Yes, it's a character of rabbit, right? Demonstration of rabbit, and by the means of its way of saying that ahaha Lijjat Papad. So everybody knows about this positioning slot, and the customers are really attracting towards these products. Then Chocos beer. Yes, the Chocos beer, again, it's a uh, brand which has used this the fictional character of a beer for packaging and marketing, and the beer helped Chocos to be a successful brand among the children of the country also. Then Vodafone Zuzos. Yes, this we cannot forget. Vodafone Zuzos, by depicting the various situations and how meticulously they have created these Zuzos, right? Originally they are the character, the Zuzos famous characters, and Zuzos are loved by almost everyone in the country, and one cannot refuse to have a smile on her face after seeing Vodafone's ads that have cute Zuzos in it. Yes, so these were the famous mascots which are being used by the companies to promote their products and to display the distinct projection in the mind of the customers and to achieve their marketing goals as well. I hope you liked my this lecture also. So stay safe and take care of yourself, and do watch me on YouTube and subscribe my channel also. Thanks a lot.